Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I've got another beautiful brokerage listing to show you today. This one is a 2017 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This one sits in a wet slip here in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. It's powered by a 150 4-stroke Mercury. Nice color scheme with the blue, white and gray hull, white and gray interior, and the color matched blue bimini on the sport arch. Stepping on board in the bow seating area, the walk-through windshield, seating both port and starboard. Just give you a quick walkthrough and then I'll come back and show you all the features of the boat. Nice sun pad area on the aft section, as well as sea decking on the swim platform. The 150 has about 330 hours of use on it. Remained in the area locally its whole life. Moving back to the Helm area. See, you've got your Mercury Sea Ray gauges here. You've got a removable Garmin GPS. Your stereo system, tilting hydraulic helm, throttle and shift here, as well as this nice captain's chair with the bolster. And that swivels and adjusts if you want to face everybody in the cockpit area. Over here to the port side, got a nice adjustable seating configuration with storage beneath. Also got a lockable glove box and a big storage area over here where you can keep your cockpit table. Below the deck, in the belly of the boat, got a huge storage area here. Good for obviously your anchor and line, as well as deflated tubes, wakeboards, water skis, all your miscellaneous beach gear right there, and the snap-in carpeting. One of my favorite features of this boat is that it has a built-in cooler, insulated storage beneath. But also, since this is the outboard version of the SPX, instead of having a motor down here, you have all that room for storage. 2 separate compartments here. Might be kind of difficult to see just how deep it is, but you could easily fit, you know, all your stuff down here. Got all the life jacks stored here. This boat does have the full snapping cover. The other tab is for the aft facing lounger. When you're either at the sandbar or anchored up in the waterway, you can face that towards the stern. For when people hanging out on the swim platform using the swim ladder on the back, you can face them and stay in the party. Seating, storage, and comfort everywhere you look. That's what Sea Ray does a very good job of. Whether you're hanging out on the sandbar, going wakeboarding or tubing, you can do just about anything on this boat. We've got 2 posts, 2 posts for Watersports. We've got one here on the stern and then another on top of the sport arch. You attach your tow line right there and get a better angle to keep that line out of the water behind you. Really nice family boat, ready for its next owners. Guys, if you have any questions for me on this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2017 Sea Ray 210 SPX-OB. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.